Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Dayle, and I am a tutor on Cambly. Thank you so much for watching this video. In today's class, we will cover the following words: see, look, and watch. For the advanced students, I will throw in a bonus word: observe. So let's get right into it. So the first word we'll have a look at today is the word see. Seeing is something that happens very naturally, automatically, and with absolutely no effort. So you can see the birds in the sky, you can see the book in the shelf. This requires no effort. So look requires a bit more effort, where you will pay a little more attention to the details. A great example of this is looking for something to eat in the refrigerator. You open the refrigerator and you see some leftover pasta, some bread, maybe some eggs. You are looking, you are noticing a few more details. When we speak to a child, we will say, "Look at the rainbow." We are asking the child to pay more attention to the colors that they see in the sky. The last word for today is the word watch. So this happens over a longer period of time, and you will pay very close attention to the details. I am watching a movie. You need to pay very close attention to the details to allow you to follow the storyline and actually understand what is happening. So watching requires a larger amount of attention. Let's look at some example sentences. Please listen carefully to the sentence and decide whether you would fill in the blank with either the words see, look, or watch. Oh my goodness. At my new shoes. Which word would you choose? If you chose the word look, then you are absolutely correct. Oh my goodness. Look at my new shoes. This sentence is said with a lot of excitement. Please would you, a movie with me? Exactly. The correct word over here is watch. Please would you watch a movie with me? I can, the coffee mug on the table. Yes, that's right. I can see the coffee mug on the table. This is something that happens very naturally. Wonderful. Now that we have looked at these sentences, we can continue to throw in our bonus word, observe. To observe something means to pay very close attention to every single detail that you see. An excellent example of this is a scientist in a laboratory. So, when the scientist is examining some specimen or some microorganism, it needs to observe this thing's movement, its characteristics, some of its attributes, to be able to draw a conclusion or come to some sort of deduction. So, observing requires a high level of attention, and of course, it will take a great deal of time to be able to observe something. So, now that we have defined and outlined the words see, look, and watch, we also had a closer look at the word observe. I would like to challenge you today by asking you that as you go about your daily life with your family and friends, I would like you to try and notice the kinds of things you see, look, watch, and observe. I know this may be a little difficult, but remember that using the correct English word in the correct sentence and in the correct context really helps to improve your overall English communication skills and also builds that confidence that you have actually achieved something. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly or not too sure what exactly Cambly is an online English learning platform where you are able to access friendly and amazing tutors just like myself, and you can do it from anywhere and at any time. You can access Cambly using either your mobile phone or your computer. So do schedule your next class using the link below. Thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you soon. Take care and goodbye for now.